Good morning puppies, my little puplets. So today we are going to Kumbhalgarh from Udaipur is what my parents and my sister-in-law are thinking. We had told them that today we check out from this hotel and then we are heading to Kumbhalgarh. But the actual plan is we have booked a one-night stay at Oberoi Udaivilas, which is also known as India's most luxurious and India's best hotel. And Ye Jawani Hai Diwani was shot there, and Ambani had a lot of their Ambani had their reception there. So we are super excited for this to see their reaction. So stay tuned for that. Hello guys, we are just walking outside on the streets near our hotel. We'll be checking out in some time.
Yes.
So guys, this is Udaipur and that is our hotel where we're staying. That's Hotel Lake Pichola, and we just came for a walk, so we're heading back now. I think the shops open really late here. It's not early morning. I mean, it's 10 o'clock, but everything is closed, so we came back. But yeah, that's our beautiful hotel. Guys, we just called Udaivilas. They're sending their boat now. Guys, the boat is here. He's waiting. That's the boat. So guys, how was your stay at Hotel Lake Pichola?
Beautiful, lovely place.
How was your stay at Hotel Lake Pichola? 8 minutes, okay?
Yeah.
How was your stay at Lake Pichola, guys?
Very beautiful.
Are you guys ready for Kumbhalgarh?
Yes. Yes, Maria.
The whole point of this trip was to have a great time and celebrate Chanzi's baby moon and our anniversary. So coming to Udaipur was not a sightseeing, so we had booked to stay at Udaivilas today and our boat is waiting outside. So we're going there. What? No! Come. Where are we going?
Of our hotel where we have this beautiful lily pond.
Okay.
So it is carved out of single marble piece. Okay. And the water level is maintained in that manner that it actually seems like the marble is floating on water.
Okay.
Also, this hotel is a blend of Mughal and Mewari architecture, so you will find many domes in our property.
Yeah.
These flat-shaped domes which you see, they are from Mughal architecture.
Okay.
And then you will find many pumpkin-shaped domes as well in our property. So they are from Mewari architecture.
Okay.
On these walls you will find these artworks. So these are the traditional artwork of Rajasthan, also known as Jali artwork. So basically Jali means net.
Okay.
So these look like net. And on the left hand side, this is the traditional artwork of Rajasthan, also known as Thekri. So basically these are some cut mirror pieces embedded in plaster of Paris.
Vilas. This is my parents' room. Say hi. This is the bed. That's mom. So the customization on the TV. This cute little corner. And you can see the lily pond from here. So damn beautiful. And this is Bablan. And here is the sit out. Oh wow, I don't know if you guys can hear the music. So guys, they've kept a cake for Aniket and my anniversary, and this is Rian. Rian, you saying hi guys?
Hi guys,
Hello puppies! We are in Uday Vilas.
Hello.
India's best hotel and luxurious hotel. How cool is that? Before we get to anything, let me show you this. I don't know if you can see it. It's a personalized note from them to us. It says, "Dear Mrs. Shana, on behalf of our entire team, it is my pleasure to welcome you to the Oberoi Uday Vilas Udaipur. We are delighted to have you stay with us. We are pleased to share that Oberoi Uday Vilas Udaipur has won the Travel and Leisure Best Luxury Resort Editor's Choice Award and ranked first as favorite Indian leisure hotel by Condé Nast Traveler." We're so excited. Okay, we're going to give you a quick room tour. So let me flip the camera. This is where you enter from. This is the door. Let me turn around. There's this nice cabinet here. Oh my god, I love it. If you watch Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, this cabinet is there in that movie. I thought they had kept it only for the movie, but no, it's there. And then you have your usual coffee and tea and some snacks below. And then you have your mini fridge here with stuff inside. And I think there's a wine here. I'm too excited to show you guys. This is a cute little corner. So if somebody's coming to your room, they can sit here and not on your bed. They got us an amazing red velvet cake because Aniket and I were celebrating our anniversary with our parents. And moving on. This is our room. It is really, really huge and nice. I'm not sure if you can make out in the camera. They had written best wishes here with rose petals, which my nephew ruined. There's this nice horse. This cute little cozy corner, which I love. I totally love. And you can just raise this up with the button here. And this goes up. And then you can get the beautiful view of the lily pond. I'm not sure if you can see the lily pond. That's the lily pond. So yeah, that is the lily pond. This is the view. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani is kicking me in the feels here, man, because Aniket and I watched the movie yesterday so that we could relate to all the places. Oh my god, Ranbir and Aditya Roy Kapoor fighting here. All that scene, it's literally like right here. So let me show you the washroom. Come on. This is where you keep your luggage. How cool is that? And then there is this nice wardrobe where you have robes here and you have your laundry, etc, etc. Coming to the best part, the toilet. This is the toilet. There is literally a chair in the toilet, like a chair. Like you sit here and you get ready. There's a chair. How cool is that? Some drawers, hair dryer, etc. Bathtub. Shower area. Hand wash area. And then there's a toilet. Please go inside. How cute and cozy is that? I mean, look at that curtain, that blinds or the whatever that is. Look at the prints on it, guys. Oh my god. I want to know what was your reaction when we said that, okay, we are going to Uday Vilas.
Okay, let's go.
No, but you said okay and you went back near the auto.
Yeah, we are planning to go to Kumbhalgarh, no, not Udaipur.
So तू कसं म्हणलंय अशी पटी सांगतारस म्हणलंय
तू अशी जोक करत म्हणला सांगताना मग तू मागशी कोण चमकलो हे ग्लास लागलो मग त्या नाही मग तू मागशी चमकलो नाही बोट आता वर्स म्हणून मागीर कळना जाल्यार हांव अनाउन्स करता तू नमका न्ही वा like no trust issues why oh god Chenji what about you
I was surprised. I thought because seeing everybody's reaction I thought I misheard and
yeah reaction was like damn sad dude for all the hype
she's telling that we are going there and these guys are come let's go
नाव लेके फोटो काढू वरता असं म्हणून
तुमचं दाखवायला मग बोट म्हणू
I thought no. What we are, I thought we are going to the Lalit.
Okay.
Car कैसे park केला
Riyan.
No, I had a doubt that this guy knew because his reaction also was not like okay we are going since morning he's telling put something make Riyan wear something nice why is he wearing all of this or else he's like okay if he's feeling hot it's okay leave why is this fellow telling that's why I asked
after she has got it convincing herself
how many times
Riyan
She would have won this.
yeah
no, I didn't
She would have gone 5 minutes.
I didn't know. I didn't know. I had zero clue. I had no idea.
I called him at 10:55 saying you can bring the boat in 15 minutes. He came at sharp 11. And he came and he said, Uday will ask Aaphi hai na? Then I was like, no, don't tell loudly. Then I'm calling you guys. You're like 2 minutes still packing last minute.
Oh my god. Usually when you're calling so many times, right? This fellow is the first one to get ready. You're like, come on, let's go. But today he's taking my hair styler, styling his hair. Why are you doing all of this? We're anyway just traveling. You can go there and get ready. He took head bath and curling his hair, setting his hair.
Abhi मैं चोर जल दूँगा
Setting basically. He's setting his hair. He's like, no, I have not taken care of my hair these days. That's why I'm taking care. Like,
puppies, everyone's swimming. Hey guys. Look at my mom. Ian. Hi baby. Hi baby. Puppies. It rained here a while ago, so the weather is so good, it's so pleasant. We are walking around the property and clicking some nice pictures and videos. I don't think one day is enough to cover the entire property. It's that big and so good. Let me show you. There is a peacock we have spotted, so we are walking towards that.
Wow.
I'm not going to talk loudly, it's right here guys, watch it. Oh my god you guys.
Not dal tadka. You can't have it.
Guys, we are here for breakfast. Riyan. Hello puppies. So today we will be checking out from Uday Villas. We were here only for one night. So we just finished breakfast and we'll be checking out in some time. This property is so huge, like you can see only one part of it, which is the lily pond area. But actually it's really big, spread across 30 acres. So when you're here, you literally can keep walking the whole day and still not cover the entire property. We saw so many peacocks like you would have seen earlier. So honestly, our stay was amazing here. We're going to miss this place. So yeah, that's it. If you like my vlog, like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Until then, I'll see you at the arrival.
Yeah.